So I have a new surge protector to share today. This one is a 30 amp model. They do also have 50 amps. And this one is from the brand called VIP2. I think that's how it's pronounced. Now, what's really cool about these ones compared to all the other surge protectors I've ever tried is that you can replace modules with this. So let's say like some surge protectors, they can go out for whatever reason, you fry them, whatever it might be. You got to replace the whole surge protector. This one comes with these little modules, or you can get extra modules, and then you can just replace the module itself. And it's a lot cheaper than doing a whole replacement of the RV surge protector itself. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. I haven't used it yet, so I haven't looked to see like what it actually shows, but it's supposed to give you some information on this little screen. So we're going to go ahead and get it plugged in, and we're going to try this out. All right, so I have my adapter plugged into my truck, so we can plug this in and we can see how this works. All right, okay, yeah, that looks kind of cool. Let me show you a close-up of the screen. So it actually gives you quite a bit of information. So without anything plugged in, we're going to be able to see the energy, the watts, the voltage, and the amps. Now we'll go ahead and plug in the trailer, and we'll get something going, and we'll just see how it looks. All right, so we'll go ahead and plug our trailer in. And right off the bat, we are seeing some wattage. It's probably like the control panel and stuff inside. And 0.2 amps. Now I'll go ahead and go kick something on, and we'll be able to see, actually, yeah, we'll go kick something on, and then we'll be able to see the wattage on here. All right, so what I did is I went ahead and fired up the Keurig, which now it shows 1.4 kilowatts being used. So we'll be able to see here, it shows 1.4 kilowatts or 1400 watts, voltage 118.9, and amps 11.7 amps being used. And it also shows watt hours for the energy being used. So you can monitor how much usage you use. I just noticed this plastic cover was on there, so it probably made it a little harder to see stuff. So it shows that we used 33 watt hours for that coffee, watts 9.3, so it's back to probably the control panel. And we got the voltage, it was probably just a little bit of voltage drop, and then 0.2 amps. So that's pretty cool. I like how it keeps track of the energy usage. And then of course it does have the little flap here that you can put down in order to keep the rain out of there. But if you're looking for a cool surge protector for a 30 amp or a 50 amp, it's going to let you know what your actual energy usage is, how many watts it's being run through it at the time. You got your voltage, you got your amps. It's kind of a cool way to be able to monitor everything being used in your trailer as well. You can always fire something up and you can see exactly how much it's actually using on you. And we were able to do the Keurig. We saw exactly how much that used. And it's really cool that it has the replacement modules, so you don't have to replace the whole dang unit if something happens. But anyway, that will be my quick demo on this RV surge protector. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.